Alright, so, got to get started and get set up here. I'm going to be putting all the polyurethane on these guys today. I'm not going to be using this. I believe it's a water-based poly, so that makes things so much nicer. I'm going to be using the big brush because there's a lot to do, yeah. I'm tempted to go get some, like, sheets to put down. Those are fine. Do I have any more of those? You know what? I have a better idea. Oh, such a better idea. Well, here we go. All we gotta do, put that boy there. So, with polyurethane, I tell you what, you don't want to shake it. This you have to be very careful to stir and not shake. Clean up. Warm water. Good. Good. Alright, so we gotta stir it. Now we begin in earnest. James Kennedy, this is your subconscious speaking to you. You can't make everything perfect. Poly works better when it's worked less. Can't tell me what to do, subconscious, but I can. I am your subconscious. I'm in control of everything you do. Shit, he's right. Alright, that's those two done. It's already looking a lot better. This is the clear satin. Yes, I like satin finish. Lighting over here is much worse, so I'm going to bring you guys over and make you suffer along with me. So what I think I'm going to do with this boy, I'm going to stand him up and get that end grain first. Because that's just going to make my life a heck of a lot easier. Oh heck. Oh heck, that's really nice. And that looks like this one is finitoed. So, I'm gonna go through, touch up all the sides like that, and I'm gonna call her good. So, this is where we end it for now. We'll wait 2 hours and we'll come back down. Neato. See you later. I do need to give him a good sanding. So, yeah, I should probably do the sanding first. That's a good point. There we go. Surface prepped. That's those guys done. So, oh goodness. What I'm gonna do, once I get these bristles off of here, is I'm gonna move the camera so you guys can see the other table, put the poly on those, and then switch back once again to this table. Oh goodness gracious, it's everywhere. Switch back to this table, and it should be dry enough to flip once again. That way, instead of doing 6 coats, we only have to do 3. Yeah. And again, I'm going to start on the other side. Oh, that is a bristle. Oh, that is unfortunate. Oh, that is very unfortunate. Oh, goodness gracious me. I'm just going to see if I can rub that out with my finger. Ha! No, that's... Oh, and this one too! Son of a poopy! Alright, those I'm actually going to use some 220 on real quick. Just gonna where was it? Excuse me? Oh, here it is. Just some shika. There we go. Just to make them nice and smooth. And then the other one was up here, yeah. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Just making it nice and smooth. There we go, good. There we go. Nice. So now, I gotta give this bad boy the old flipperonis treatment. And poly up this bad boy. An easy peasy lemon breezy. I don't know why it's a lemon breeze, but you know what? Here, we don't ask questions. Alright, so that's that one done. So these guys should be ready to flipperonis as well. Oh yeah, she's dry enough to flip. I'm feeling little bits that are picked up, and I don't know if that's... Oh, good. Oh no, did I not brush it properly? Yeah. Or sufficiently. Perhaps I brushed it properly, but did not brush it sufficiently. For you see, there is indeed a difference. Ah well, at least the top is nice. I don't know how that's shown up on camera, but it looks real nice from where I am. Alright, that's another one done, guys. Well done, well done. So, yeah, I'm just gonna go clean up, and I will see you guys later. I'm gonna go sand. Now, this time, I am gonna use 220 grit. Ah! Just because, I don't know, because I feel like it. Make it a little bit easier, I think, a little bit faster. And then on the final coat of poly, and I'm also going to do the sides on this one too. On the final coat of poly, I'll do like a 400 grit just to make it nice and smooth. Alright, that should be enough. Gonna pop this bad boy open, get to work. Alrighty. I'll do some full length strokes. Full strength lokes. What's a loke? Who knows? But I'm gonna be doing them at full strength. Alright, time to move the camera again. And now I shall begin on the other side, yeah. Alright, there we go. That should be more than enough, methinks. I'm liking this tripod setup I've got. It's, feels good. Feel good. There we go. Good stuff. Now I'm gonna let this dry overnight, and then, whoa ho ho ho! Good eye, guys. You caught a bristle for me. Thank you. And nice, good. Covered up. Good stuff. Just double check to make sure this one doesn't have, is that? That's not a bristle, that's a leftover mark. Yeah. No, I'll get that with the sander when I go over with the palm sander. Hell yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna double check for bristles on these guys, which I think are clean. These guys are already dry. Oh my goodness. I guess it's just 2 hours before recoating, just so that it can properly set, I suppose. I have heard horror stories of people trying to apply it too soon, and they end up getting like blotches and stuff, and that's just no good. Anyways, there we go, guys. That's going to be the final stain. The next time you see me, I'm probably going to be installing the shelves in my room. I'm gonna show you how that's done. And we might even have a special guest, so that's pretty cool. I'll see you guys next time. What do you think? I need an outro of some kind.
Well, yeah, just use this, bro.
Okay.